Lubin L3 Intelligent Repair Instrument Unboxing Video. Open the box. There's a smart repair device in the box. It also comes with an engineering line. Lubin L3 Intelligent Repair Instrument consists of two parts. One is the main machine. Another one is the 12 to 15 plus regional color restoration expansion board. Standard configuration without battery. If you need to install batteries later, you will need to purchase and install AAA batteries yourself. Need to insert Type-C to use. Inserting the original color restoration expansion board will automatically jump to the corresponding interface.